Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, Assalamu alaikum. I am fine and I hope you will also be fine. Students, we are studying properties of cube roots of unity. And 5 properties of cube roots of unity we have already discussed in previous lectures. In this lecture we shall study the 6th property, and that will be the final property of cube roots of unity. So its statement: if n is any integer, then omega raised to power n is equal to any of the cube root of unity, which means if n is any integer, then omega raised to power n may be equal to 1 or may be equal to omega or may be equal to omega square. So we shall study and discuss this amazing property of cube roots of unity. So see how we solve this property. Lecture number 38. N is any integer. For any integer n, omega n is equivalent to 1 omega and omega square. This is here. This omega n is equal to 1 r omega square for n belonging to integer, which means we derive it by taking some values, some integers. We take some negative integers and some positive integers. Let's start from -3. So if n is -3, then ओमेगा रेज टू -3 हो जाएगा जनाब, जिससे हम ओमेगा रेज टू पावर 3 लिख सकते हैं. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय आंसर इज़ 1. सो ये 1 भी कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट होता है. अगर आप n की कीमत -2 लेते हैं, देन ओमेगा -2 दैट इज़ 1 ओवर ओमेगा स्क्वायर. दिस इज़ ओमेगा. यू नो प्रॉपर्टी. इफ n इज़ -1, then omega raised to -1 is 1 over omega, and this is omega square. We know by the properties. If n is equal to 0, then omega raised to power 0 again 1. No, if n is 1, then omega raised to power 1 is omega. If n is 2, then omega square is omega square is omega square. And if n is 3, then omega 3 is equal to 1. Now we take some larger exponents of omega. Let n is, for example, -15. So omega raised to -15 is 1 over omega 15. This can be written as 1 over cube raised to power 5, and 1 raised to power 5, this is equal to 1. If we take -19, then omega raised to power -19, this can be written as omega 19, and this can be written as omega 18 into omega. So this omega 18, 18 is multiple of 3. So we have 1 into omega, that is 1 over omega, that is omega square. Let's take n is equal to 100. Then omega raised to power 100, that is, आपने देखना यह है कि इस 100 में से 3 के मल्टीपल कितने हैं. I know omega 99 into omega 1. So omega 99 is 3 raised to power 33 into omega. So 1 raised to power 33 into omega, that is omega. So in this way we observed that for any integer n, omega raised to power n is equal to 1, may be equal to omega or may be equal to omega square, but each omega n is equal to any one of the cube root of unity. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह हमने इस लेक्चर में अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो थी क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी को, उनको डिटेल से भी पढ़ा और हमने इनको प्रूव किया. नो इट इज़ टाइम टू स्टार्ट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ दीज प्रॉपर्टीज़. इनकी मदद से, इनकी हेल्प से एक्सरसाइज 4.4 के जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हम वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो इन सब को आप अच्छे तरीके से ज़ुबानी याद करें स्टूडेंट्स. रिमेंबर, मैथ इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, मैथ इज़ वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट. जस्ट आप इरादा करें पढ़ने का. इंशाल्लाह आई एम हियर टू टीच यू because my claim is that math is easy.